What's up, everybody? Welcome to the first video of our Hillbilly Trail System series. Before we get this video started, I want to get on here and let you know about our June 7th to the 9th event this year at Rod Royal Blue. It's called Rally at the Creek. We've teamed up with UTV Legends Facebook group. We're going to have an awesome event there. We're going to be set up as a vendor. We're going to have raffles, riding, racing, the whole works. Definitely want to mark your calendars on that. And July 4th to the 7th at Ben Franklin Range is our annual subscriber ride. That is going to be awesome. We're going to do a bounty hill or climb, and we don't have all the details worked out yet, but I think we're going to do a first, second, and third place. Maybe create a new climb. It's going to probably be a hard one, and we'll see the fastest person. We'll do first, second, and third place. Probably a couple $1,000 payout, so definitely want to check that out. That one's going to be awesome. And our new diff, we have a brand new front diff, actually two. I don't know if I told you guys this, but we have two new designs coming out. There's going to be something for everybody. No matter what Can-Am diff you have, we probably got you in this one, and it's the strongest possible. It's going to be epic. That's another week or two. I might interrupt this series later on once we have everything lined up, but it is coming, so stay tuned for that. Now let's get into this video. And I hope you enjoy this series.
What the heck, guys? I made it.
Low fuel or low talent? Oh no! Tires off the ground already, so we're just gonna plop this out.
Bolt probably broke.
Well, this didn't go good, and I'm pretty sure I heard Sherry brake. We're back with another series from the Hillbilly Trail System. I'm very excited. We've been getting a lot of questions and comments and everything about coming out here and riding these trails, so we finally made the trip down. I think it was about a 7-hour drive from us from PA to get here. We're at Elkhorn Creek Riders Retreat, I think it's called. If I got that wrong, I'll put it down here below so you can see it. But it is a campground that is currently in development, and the owner was kind enough to let us stay here because as of right now there really is no lodging or campgrounds around the Hillbilly Trail System that I know of. We looked, we found a few Airbnbs, but not enough to fit everybody in our rigs. So I reached out to Jason here, and he's like, yeah, you guys can come here, just know that it isn't fully finished, but we have some gravel spots that they had ready, so we backed into them. They are going to have water and electric and sewer. Right now we just have water and electric. They're working on the sewer. You can see all the campsites down along this side. They're going to have campsites here. That's going to be like a bathhouse office type building over there, and it has a ton of potential. So follow them on Facebook, check them out, follow them for sure, because I know upcoming soon, I think they're trying to release this year about opening up. So, but the lineup today is me and Sherry, and the kids I think are gonna drive the Razor. We brought the Razor back on the channel. I really like seeing the 4-seater climb stuff. Really excited about that. Then we got Tim here, and we got Scott over here. Scott's rocking his new truck, and he just got 2024 GMC diesel. Showing him the new truck, Scott.
Ah,
looks good.
the new master payment.
And we had a spot here for Will, but as you know, in the last series, Will destroyed his machine, and he's still waiting on parts. But I think he's gonna make the drive down tomorrow, which could be potentially a couple videos from now. And I told him he can drive the Razor as long as he don't drive it like he drives his. But yeah, it is currently like 8 in the morning. Me and Sherry got our passes last night when we got in. Tim and Scott were gonna run down and get them passes. I think it was $53 a pass, and we got it at like a little convenience store, gas station right down the road. And then we're gonna go out and we're gonna try to check off a lot of the harder trails that they have here, obviously, because that's what we like, and maybe try to find some scenic stuff too. So we're gonna get all of these gassed up, ready to rock and roll. I believe if you go out of here and you go left, it is 195, highway 195, or road route. You go 3 miles and there's a gas station, and this is, I think, is 197 if you go that way, a few miles to the trail system. If I have those road numbers wrong, I'll put them down here to let you know for sure what they are, but I'm pretty sure that's 195 and 197. And you're only a few miles from road, or a few miles of road to the trail system, and they're currently working on getting the roads legal here, so shouldn't be an issue. But we're gonna head out of here. We're gonna go over, I think the first trail we're gonna try to find is possibly the Kong Trail, and we'll see you over there. Okay, we've made our way over to Sycamore Market. It is about a 3-mile ride from the campground we're at, and we're here to get Tim and Scott's permits. So they have gas, they got pizza, they got food, they got permits.
Found that in the parking lot, you can have it.
Is that a 10? No, it's not a 10. That was the first thing I looked at. It's 15/32. Alright, we're gonna run in here and get some permits. While we're out here riding the hillbilly trails, trying to locate our first hard obstacle, I wanted to let you know that we do have this trail system on our navigation tablets on the canamcrew.com if you're wanting them. Definitely want to check them out. They've been awesome. They have most of the hard trails here that I could find. I'm not really familiar with all the names yet, but all the big names like Hall and Little School Bus, I think it's called, or Magic School Bus, Tombstone, it's all on here, along with all the other trails that are mapped out. Definitely want to take a minute, go to the canamcrew.com and check those out if you want to come here and ride. That's what we'll be following this weekend, and we'll keep you posted throughout the videos to let you know how it does. But so far, the views have been awesome. Looks like we made it. How you doing, Coop? All right. Well, it doesn't look like much. Just a little, and a 50-foot climb. Doesn't really have any ledges or anything. Okay. I don't think this will be too bad. We'll just run right up this. And go from there. We have a Honda Talon picking up our the back end over here. We ran into the guy that actually owns the campground we're staying at this morning. He decided to fall in behind us, but yeah, this isn't too bad. It's actually Trail 72. They call it Kong, I think. I'll look at this, see if this is any different, but I think this one's it.
All right, we are at the bottom of the Kong Trail. Jesse's up. Let's see what happens. Nice job, buddy. All right, Cooper's up. Kong Trail, 4C Razor. Let's see what happens. You got 4 feet behind you, buddy. Good job, Cooper.
Good job, dude. Man, Dad, these kids. I'm like, give it.
The kids behavior down.
All right, Sherry's up. Nice job, Sherry.
Okay, Tim's up. I just noticed that the camera was zoomed in. I'm not sure when it happened. It could have been the entire time I was talking to you, which will be a really zoomed up picture of my face. Hopefully not though. Hopefully it just got bumped down here. But Tim's coming up. I'm about halfway up the trail now. We'll show a little bit different perspective. It's not too bad. I think with a lot more harder rains and some more traffic, it'll get pretty good. Keep coming, Tim. Keep coming. All right, right there. Just go a little bit passenger. Yep. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Get on that right line. All right, nice driving. It's a pretty good one. I'm gonna say it's a pretty good one. It is steep, but it looks really slick. So I don't think it's a crazy rollover hazard here, unless something kind of catastrophic goes. I guess there's a few different lines. There's one here where the top is right there. This one doesn't look too bad. This one looks like it get interesting. But you know, as the weather comes, I think that most of that dirt and mud is going to be washed off that rock, and then it's just going to be ledgy. So it might get better with time. Better as in harder. Down here, I'm sure all of this will get washed out. It's a pretty cool trail though. I don't know if I'm going to let Cooper do this one or if I'm going to take the Razor up. But either way, we'll get that Razor on camera a little bit since we missed it in the last series. And I think this series we're going to try to focus on maybe some trail riding and some harder stuff, just because this area is so big. We'll try to get a little bit of everything on the channel for this place. So far the hillbilly trails are really cool. I'm really liking it. So I think coming up next you'll see us go up this, and where I was talking to you in the last clip saying that we were at the top is just right up there, right?
Yeah.
All right, Jesse's up on little school bus. God said it feels like there's traction when he walks on it, but
Mud's gonna be good.
yep.
Nice job, Jesse. All right, Jesse's up again in the Razor. He told Coop he didn't want him climbing this, which I don't blame him at all. Coop just doesn't have enough experience underneath his belt. Coop does a great job, but he just needs some time yet to, just in case something would go wrong. So, Jesse's up in the Razor. Let's see what happens.
It was just as much of a workout getting in the seatbelt. Okay, Jesse's taking the Razor up.
Been a little bit since I've been in the Razor. It feels weird.
Feels weird.
Yeah.
It's a whole different view from in there.
Nice job again, Jesse. All right, Sherry's up. Magic school bus. Nice job, Sherry.
All right, I took Scott's camera. Scott's heading down. I'm sitting on the opposite side of where Scott was. Scott was right here filming, and I'm sitting, I don't know, maybe a third of the way up. We'll see if we can get Scott coming up. We have Tim down here with the other new camera, which is, I'm on the GoPro 12, and I have Tim down there on the Insta 360 Ace Pro. Long name, but seems to be doing really well. So far, no problem. Tim's coming up next. He's a 64-inch machine with wheels and tires, and he's also about 68 wide like us. I am now at the bottom of the trail on the other camera, the Insta 360, and we have Coop going up there with the GoPro to film by that cluster of trees right in this area, so we can cover the top and the bottom views. We'll switch back and forth here. Got Tim up on Magic School Bus. Pretty cool trail though. I don't think it's overly difficult. Maybe with time it might get a little bit harder, but once it gets down to solid rock, I think there'll be even more traction. It'll be interesting to see the evolution. I know this trail system's been here a little bit, but it takes a little bit for the trails to break in. Oh, and carrying the tires up it. next up is another X3 on Tusk tires. I didn't get his name. He's a friend of Jeremy's. Looks like a 72-inch machine on Tusks. I think they're 32s. We were all running Zillas. You're good to come back. Turn passenger if you're going to back up anymore. Yeah, the other way. Yeah, back up. Yep, straighten up. There you go. Yep.
What are they wrong?
It just got a little bit squirrely. I think if you just carry a little bit more momentum straight up through, I think you got it. Nice job. All right, nice job, man. All right, we got Jeremy up in his RS1. We'll see how he makes out. Baby's loud, sounds good. So close. Nice job, nice job. Oh, man, he was close. Nice job. Oh, I got the camera. So he hit that with 20 psi or 20 pounds of pressure in his tires. He's set up for racing. He didn't want to lower the psi. I wanted to see if he could make it. So he hit this on 20 psi. I'm not sure what tires they are, but when I find out, I'll label it up here on the screen. But that RS1 sounding good. All right, now I'm going to trek my way back up this climb, and we'll go see what else we can get for you. All right, we just finished off Magic School Bus. Jeremy made a call to, I'm not sure the name of, it's a fellow that actually like makes the trails here, and apparently they just made a new one within the last few days. So we're gonna go over and take a look at that if we can find it. We'll get that on camera for you. I'll let you know where it's at, and then we'll see you over there. We'll probably film a little bit between here and there, but that's the next stop. This place is not on the map yet. I'm not really sure where we're at, but there's a pretty cool waterfall up here. We'll walk up here and show you. Then I can show you kind of whereabouts on the map that it is. We're gonna take a walk up here. What I can see, it's at least a pretty cool place to come check out. Gotta love the waterfalls. See it up there. So far, this the trails that we've been hitting, we've been driving for about, I don't know, 20-30 minutes or so since the last time we were on camera there. Just cruising the trails. I like it. It's a pretty cool place so far. Highly recommend already coming down here and at least checking it out. There's so many trails on the map that we haven't even hit yet. Oh, that's cool. What do you think about that, Coop?
You gonna hit it?
Am I gonna hit it? Nice. And it just keeps on going up through there. Go over there and get a bath. Dip your head in it. Come on. Come on.
I'll show how cold it is.
Come on. Peer pressure. Now go. It's cold, he says. That's definitely cool. Alright, definitely worth coming to check this out. Set up a little lunch right here, have a snack, chill out, listen to the waterfall. Doesn't get much better than this. Man, Tim, your winch is getting a workout this weekend. Good job, Coop.
You know what they told you, Coop? Flop at the top.
Flop at the top.
That's right.
Alright, we're gonna get Sherry tipped over here. Well, this didn't go good, and I'm pretty sure I heard Sherry break. That didn't work out for me, Coop. Did Mom break? Pretty sure I heard her break something. I think someone broke something.
Hi.
What up, buddy? I'm just chilling here, almost upside down.
Might have got that on camera.
Yeah. I think I smell a little bit of gas leaking out of here. Alright, let me get out.